So finally, I will be talking about NLA 2026 full detail of Deloitte, and one more thing, Capgemini 2026 full detail, because if you are not understanding this, because pattern is also changed and many things you have to keep in mind, because the duration, rounds, new pattern, and active backlog, who is eligible, how to start preparation, because after that you will see that very soon you will get to see the apply link of Deloitte NLA, and Capgemini is announced already, but only 11 days left. Fill the application form as soon as possible. So first I will be talking about NLA 2026 Deloitte hiring. If you see general eligibility criteria, which is not written in the announcement, you can check the LinkedIn profile. Officially announced Deloitte BE Tech ME MD MCA CS IT electrical and other circuital branches, means all the circuit branches is eligible. Now 60% throughout academic is very compulsory. If you are from graduation or post graduation, both must having 60%. ठीक है, no active backlog is compulsory. Now year of graduation only 26 batch hiring is going on, so 26 only is eligible. Application restriction is there, that's why I already told you, please watch video till end. So what is going on? See, if you applied in the last 6 months or holding the existing offer, then you are not eligible. It means if you are rejected and you are not completed the 6 month of cooling period, then you will be rejected if you apply. ठीक है, and if you got the offer letter, means if you are holding a offer letter, then if you are not completed 6 months after holding offer letter, then you are not eligible. They will reject you. ठीक है, keep in mind, this is the big problem you will face while registration. This is the red signal, keep in mind. Now what to accept in a NLA process. If you check here that a screening is there, basically resume, shortlisting is the online assessment, cover English aptitude. I will tell you in the last of what to add to get the instant selection mails, means shortlisting mail. ठीक है, keep in mind. If you are skipping this part, then ignore this video. Aptitude, technical skill, MCQ is there, and everything is written. You can see only 3 rounds is there. Now what is the pattern? Basically first is the aptitude round, technical, MCQ, and 2 coding question is there. Basically you have to keep in mind there is 90 minute of duration of this assessment, which is first round 90 minute. Keep in mind 90 minute, and 55 MCQ is there total. मैं टोटल की बात कर रहा हूँ, इंक्लूडिंग एप्टी, टेक्निकल प्लस करके, और इंग्लिश का भी होगा इसमें, एक इंग्लिश MCQ is also there. So 55 MCQ will be there and 2 coding question will be there. Then second thing is a technical interview, which will be duration of 15 to 20 minutes, but it will hardly take 15 minutes to complete the interview, which will be online or offline, ये हमें जल्द पता चल जाएगा. And HR will be 10 minutes, only 10 minute interview of their HR. ठीक है, so what is going on? First of all thing, technical interview will be very easy. HR interview almost you got the offer letter. ठीक है, इसका मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है, you almost got the offer letter, you will be will very soon receive the joining letter. ठीक है, so ये बहुत easy होने वाला है. But what is the tough thing? Tough thing is aptitude, technical, and MCQ, and coding problem will be not tough, intermediate of level is there. But यहाँ पे ये जो MCQ देखने मिल रहा है ना, ओनली 1 मिनट या 1.50 सेकेंड ऐसा या 5 सेकेंड कुछ का तुमको टाइमिंग मिलेगा टू सॉल्व द ईच MCQ. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा दिक्कत जाएगी, बट मैं प्रिपरेशन गाइड भी लाऊंगा, अभी तो ये समझ जाओ बस. सो दिस इज द NLA 2026 बैच फुल डिटेल. कीप इन माइंड एंड हाउ टू क्रैक दिस, and how to do practice. Already I am creating the video, don't worry, just subscribe my channel. Now second thing is Capgemini 2026 full detail. 2026 super set opportunity already announced, software engineer role is there, but there is multiple roles, like 3 roles is there. On the basis of your performance in the first round, they will provide you that role interview opportunity. Keep in mind. Excel 2026 already I uploaded the video, but this is full detail. You have to keep in mind the pattern is changed, because 14th January is the last day. 2026 11 means 12 AM. Deadline closes in 11 day. First go and apply it, register it as soon as possible. Now this email outlines are diversity offering, ये तुम लीव करो. Now keep in mind only female candidate is eligible. Why is eligible? Because don't worry, this is on campus opportunity. You have to talk to your TPO to get the registration link. ठीक है, don't worry, this is on campus opportunity. Registration started 2nd of January, which I already uploaded video on that time, and registration end time is 14th of January. The English virtual assessment is there, technical assessment is also virtual, and a date is also released. 17th of January is your English assessment, 24th 24th of January technical assessment is there, but don't worry, this is on campus, that's why only female is eligible. And in off campus very soon Capgemini 26 बैच will be announced soon, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ये अनाउंस हो चुकी है तो अब ये भी आने वाली है. जस्ट सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. और एग्जैक्ट क्राइटेरिया यही होने वाला है, सो प्लीज वॉच वीडियो टिल एंड. यही क्राइटेरिया ऑफ कैंपस में भी होगा मेल फीमेल के लिए, डोंट वरी. एनालिस्ट रोल विल बी देयर 25,000 वन टाइम इंसेंटिव. एनालिस्ट रोल इज देयर 5.75, देन सीआर इज सीनियर एनालिस्ट 7.5 LPA. ठीक है, ये जो दो रोल तुमको दिख रहे हैं ना, ये फ्रेशर को मिलेंगे और ये एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैंडिडेट्स के लिए होने वाला है. नाउ स्क्रीनिंग विल बी देयर, शॉर्टलिस्टिंग विल बी देयर. इंग्लिश असेसमेंट ऑलरेडी वी टोल्ड यू, आई टोल्ड you that 17th of January. Technical assessment is on 24th of January. Then there is coding assessment. If you crack these both assessment, after that coding assessment is there, then cognitive will be easy and technical will be easy. But the thing is English assessment easy रहेगा, लेकिन ये थोड़ा intermediate level पे आएगा, तो इसको एक साथ लेके चलना. एंड कोडिंग थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगानी है, ठीक है, वो हम ले आएंगे बहुत जल्दी. अभी आप समझो प्रीवियस email some key changes in the assessment pattern include a change in the order of the communication round and a mandatory coding round inclusion. देखो इसमें कुछ भी order हो सकता है, but the main thing is female only is eligible, but this is on campus opportunity, so you don't have to worry. The criteria, process and round will be same for what off campus also. Off campus 26 Capgemini will be very soon announcing, don't worry, just keep watching my channel. And one more thing, एग्जैक्ट क्राइटेरिया यही होने वाला है, सेम टू सेम प्रोसेस यही होगी. शॉर्टलिस्टिंग विल बी देयर और जो भी राउंड्स वगैरह सब एज इट इज सेम होने वाले हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. ठीक है, स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन नाउ. हाउ टू बी प्रिपेयर, तो मैं दोनों के लिए सेपरेट वीडियो लाऊंगा कि हाउ टू डू प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रैक्टिस. लाइक आई एम थिंकिंग दैट आई हैव टू क्रिएट द वन मॉक, पूरा एक बंडल बना रहा हूँ मैं. उसमें ऐसा होगा कि वो एक मॉक टेस्ट होगा जिसमें क्या होंगे पता है, उसमें टाइमर भी होगा, देयर विल बी टाइमर ऑल्सो, एंड MCQ एग्जैक्ट जैसे हम एग्जाम देते हैं ना, बिल्कुल 90 मिनट का और 1 घंटे का, जिसमें एप्टीट्यूड टेक्निकल ये सब चीजें होती है, मैं एग्जैक्ट लेके आऊंगा. और IBM, ठीक है, जो आपकी IBM भी आ रही है, फॉर असेंचर, फॉर कैपजेमिनी, फॉर इन्फोसिस, फॉर विप्रो एंड लास्ट फॉर डेलॉइट. सिर्फ वो एक ही बंडल होगा जिसमें तुम ऑलरेडी वहां पे मॉक टेस्ट होगा. जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे तुम इन सारी कंपनियों को इजीली क्रैक कर लोगे, क्योंकि वहां पे इस तरीके के सिर्फ 2 कोडिंग क्वेश्चन नहीं होंगे. देयर विल बी मोर देन 15 ऑफ कोडिंग क्वेश्चन जो कि मोस्ट आस्क्ड होंगे इन सारी MNCs के. जितना प्रैक्टिस उतना तुमको फायदा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप समझ गए हो कि NLA का अनाउंसमेंट ऑलरेडी हो गई है. इसकी बहुत जल्दी अप्लाई लिंक आएगी, मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर दूंगा. सो जस्ट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. एंड फॉर Capgemini दिस इज ऑन कैंप. टेक द लिंक फ्रॉम TPO and apply it as soon as possible by 14th of January. Keep in mind. And on campus हो रही है ये, off campus announcing very soon. And this is off campus basically, but in both opportunity 26 batches eligible. Keep in mind only 26 batches eligible. So don't worry, keep in mind यार कि मैं एक वीडियो नहीं बहुत सारी वीडियोस अपलोड करता हूँ. ठीक है, कोई एक वीडियो नहीं है. Already I uploaded 2 biggest off campus opportunity. 2 videos I already uploaded which is officially hiring. Go and apply that opportunity. Go to video section, applied as soon as possible. And please do like my channel, do subscribe our channel. If you have any query, just comment down. I will very soon upload how to do practice, how to take mock test, and how to crack Deloitte or Capgemini. Thanks for watching.